In Photoshop, go to the Gradient tool. Select that, go to the top left and select Classic Gradient. Also, go to the Gradients and go for the Basic and select from black to white. Use Linear. Click the left, drag all the way over to the right, hold down the Shift so you get it straight across, and you've got this lovely black to white gradient. Then go here to the Rectangular Marquee tool. Make certain the feather is set to 0, otherwise you will not be able to define it as a pattern, and create a selection in the centre. So you've got some black and you've got some white there. Then go to Edit and down to Define Pattern, and that will be stored as a pattern preset. Click OK. You'll notice though, what happens, it creates a very, very thin line. So select and deselect, then go to Edit and Fill. So with Edit and Fill, just go to Pattern option. So there's a number of options here, so Pattern is the one you want. Go to the Custom Patterns and select the one that you just created. That's the last one here. Then set the script to be Random Fill. There's a number of options, but Random Fill is the one you want. Normal, and click OK. With the panel displayed, go to Density, set it to 9.8 or 10. Minimum set to 0.85. Maximum 1.15. Set Rotate Pattern on, and also set the randomness and brightness, maybe just 0.75, etc. Click OK. And there you have your linear noise effect. You can use this linear noise maybe as an overlay or background. If you don't want it to be colourful, all you need to do, go to Image, Adjustments, and go down to Black and White. Or if you want it to be just a solid colour, maybe go for Hue and Saturation and Colorize. Set that on so you've got a nice sepia design, or change the hue, green, blue, etc. Another option, maybe you want slightly blurred images, so go to Filter and down to Blur and Gaussian Blur. Set the value to about 2 and you've got a nice blurred noise effect. Click OK. You can also distort the design. Simply go to Filter and down to Distort and Twirl. And you can distort it by setting it to, say, 70 and click OK to create a slight distortion of that noise. You can also duplicate the layer, so Layer and down to Duplicate. Click OK. Go to Edit and Transform and Flip Horizontal. Then go to the blend modes, go from normal all the way down to difference, or perhaps hard mix, to create again more unusual noise effects. Go to Layer and Flatten Image, and you can go to Filter and Stylize and Oil Paint. Set the value fairly low, 1 or 2, and then click OK.